Ken. Thanks for helping me come and wash my car today. Ugh, my car is so dirty. Did Chelsea write on my car with a crayon? Skipper's working at the gas station today. We'll come visit her afterwards. I always use these two products. Are they good? Yeah, they're fine. Let me put the coins in so we can start washing the car. I like to rinse the car before starting to get all the dirt and dust out. Now we can use the soap. We'll use a sponge. The car is looking so good. Okay, I think now we can rinse. What's going on with this machine? It's not working. Oh. Seriously, Barbie? I got all wet. Have a little fun, Ken. Ha ha ha. Very funny. Be careful, Barbie. It's very slippery. What do you mean? Ah! I'm okay. I'm only laughing because you said you're okay. Yuck, I'm all dirty now. Oh, this is dirty water. Anyway, let's dry the car. Here. You can dry your face. Thanks. Next time we're going to the automatic car wash. This is hard work. Wow, amazing. I'm exhausted. Barbie and Ken have been washing their car all morning. I think I'll bring them some water. Here you go, guys, some water. It looks like you need it, especially Barbie. Thanks, Skipper. I'm gonna pump some gas, okay, Milo? All finished. Anna, can you go pay for the drive-thru car wash? And you can get some snacks for the girls. Okay, sounds good. I want an icy! Come on, girls, let's go to the mini mart. Follow me. Come on, girls, hurry up. I'm coming. I'm coming, Mommy. Hey guys, welcome to the mini mart. Hi, Skipper. Okay, girls, both of you can choose one thing, okay? I'm gonna get some water. It's so hot outside today. cookie and you get an icy and we share. No, I don't want cookies. I just want an icy. Come on, Annabella. I don't want cookies. Come on. Look how delicious all the cookies look. Look. I don't want it. I want Chips Ahoy cookies. Okay, we'll choose something quickly. I'm gonna get an icy, Mommy. Can you make it for me, please? I want the cherry one. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna get these cookies. Here you go, Auntie Anna. Okay. Here's your icy. Let's go pay. Oh, but I actually need some batteries. These look good. Okay, we're ready to check out. You're all ready? Okay, we got water, a can of Coke, Chips Ahoy cookies, Energizer batteries, and an icy. Alright, your total's going to be $40. Here you go. Here you go. Have a nice day. Thank you, Skipper. See you later. Come on, girls. Can I have a little sip of your Slurpee? I have cookies, and I have a refreshing Slurpee. Come on, can I have some? Nope. Come on, Annabella, share. I don't want to. Auntie Anna! Annabella, please share with your cousin. But it's my Slurpee. Thank you. The car looks awesome! Hi, welcome! Hi. I need to use the ATM. Looks like that famous girl with all the sisters. I wonder if it's her. Okay. Hey, my money. Here it is. I'm gonna get a delicious Slurpee. I love the cherry ices, are so good. That all for today? Just a Slurpee? Okay. Your total is $213. Here you go. Well, have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Well, my shift is over and I gotta clean up a little bit, especially the ice machine. Everybody wanted one today. And organize all the snacks. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. Have a nice day. Bye bye.